How to trade at Klever app. Open your Klever app. Once logged into the app, scroll down to the bottom and click on the globe logo. There will be a prompt. You can simply deny it. Then click on Exchanges tab. Then choose polonix.org from the list. It will prompt you to the POLONI DEX, wherein you can trade TRC20/TRC10 token. In this example, we are going to trade AMSK token to TRX then TRX to KLV. Just scroll down and look for AMSK/TRX pair. Then click on it. It will prompt you here where we can sell our AMSK token to TRX. Just type the exact amount that you would like to sell. Then click on Sell AMSK button and confirm. After you have sell, you can click on the buy button if you have already received the TRX. As you can see, the 13 TRX was already added to my TRX balance. Now we can go. Just click on the home button again and then click on KLV, TRX pair. Then type the exact amount how much KLV coin that you would like to buy. Then click on Buy KLV button and confirm. After confirming the buy order, you can click on the sell button at the top and check if the 100 KLV has already been added to your wallet. You can also go back to your main dashboard of your Klever in order to check your KLV balance. To go back to your main dashboard, just click twice on the Tron logo at the bottom. And you should see your updated KLV balance here. With Klever you can also stake your KLV coin within inside the app for it to grow passively. To stake your KLV coin, on your main dashboard just click on the arrow under your main balance. Then click on KLV here. Then click on staking button and enter the amount of KLV that you want to stake. That's it. Enjoy the staking reward. That's all. Have a nice day.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell button. That would be greatly appreciated.